In this video, I'll guide you through how to set up a Vrbo owner account. Whether you're looking to list your property or just curious about the process, setting up an owner account on Vrbo is straightforward and quick. Let's dive right in and get you started. First things first, you'll want to head over to vrbo.com. Once you're on the home page, look towards the top right corner of the screen where you'll see the sign in button. Go ahead and click on that. If you already have an account, this is where you would normally enter your credentials to log in. However, since we're setting up a new owner account, you'll need to create one if you haven't done so already. Now, when you click sign in, you'll be prompted to enter your email address. This email will be your primary contact for any communication from Vrbo, so make sure it's one you check regularly. After entering your email, follow the prompts to set up your account. Vrbo makes it easy by allowing you to use the same account for both traveling and owning. This means you don't need separate logins if you plan to use Vrbo for booking travel accommodations as well. It's a convenient feature that simplifies managing your Vrbo activities from a single account. Once you've entered your email, you'll be guided through the rest of the sign up process. Typically, this will involve creating a secure password. It's always a good idea to choose a password that's both strong and memorable. Consider using a mix of upper and lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters to enhance security. Remember, a strong password is your first line of defense against unauthorized access. After setting up your password, you may be asked to fill in some personal information. This could include your name, contact number, and potentially some verification steps to ensure your identity. These steps are crucial for securing your account and ensuring that all communications and transactions are legitimate. Once you've completed the registration process, you should receive a confirmation email from Vrbo. Make sure to check your inbox and don't forget to look in the spam or junk folder if you don't see it right away. This email will typically contain a link to verify your email address, which you'll need to click to activate your account fully. With your account now set up, you're ready to explore the owner dashboard. This is where you can start listing your property, set your rates, and manage bookings. Take some time to familiarize yourself with the features available to you. The dashboard is designed to be user-friendly and provides all the tools you need to manage your listings efficiently. If you ever run into any issues or need further assistance, Vrbo offers a robust help section and customer support to guide you through any challenges you may face. Remember, setting up your owner account is just the first step to sharing your property with travelers from all over the world, and Vrbo is here to support you along the way. So there you have it, a quick and comprehensive guide to setting up your Vrbo owner account. Now you're all set to start listing your property and welcoming guests. Thanks for watching and happy hosting.